This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your profile view history on the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up now and I am on the TikTok app. To enable or disable your profile view history, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here you want to tap on Privacy. Then you will scroll down to the very bottom where you see it says Profile Views. You want to tap on that. As you can see, I have mine is toggled off right now, but if you want to toggle it on, you just toggle that right there. Now my profile view history is on. Hit it again, it's off. That is how you toggle on or off your profile view history. Thanks for watching.